You're looking for a charger that can simply take with you on your travels, do some PD fast charging of your camera gear, laptop, as well as putting to multiple cables of charging power banks and more. This product may be something that you are looking for. We're going to unbox this and show you what this is all about. 150 plus countries, France, Europe, USA, United Kingdom, nicely packaged. You have the universal charger. The universal charger by CACTECH. It is fire preventive, it's voltage protection, reverse polarity, and more. It comes in a nice carrying case, mesh-like finish. Pull it out of the box for you. A zipper on top, opening up. You have an instruction guide that you can simply go over how to use your adapter. You have a compartment on the side over here that has a spare fuse. With an object, you're going to pry, lift up. The spare fuse is inside the compartment, and it's going to place over here into this area. Place on, snap back into place. These are the 3 plug areas. In order to operate them, you have 3 sliders: EU, UK, USA. When you slide the mechanism out, it will lock into place. In order to free it, there is a button on this side. Press it, snaps back in 100%. To get to the next one, you do the same exact thing by sliding 100%. Listen for the click. And to release back in, you press the button and slide back in. And the USA snaps out, and it also changes to another country by angling. You cannot force back in, press the button, locks into place. We have a Type-C PD20 port, all the different ports on this side to plug in your laptop, smartphone, USB adapter. On the bottom side, you have 4 ports, USB-A's, simultaneously charge many items. Check online for further detail about the color you like. In this demonstration, we're going to turn on the unit, plug in a USA port, use a universal adapter. Each of the ports are lit up. Grab the right one to charge your phone. If you're out and about and you need to charge your cameras, your camera is charging. You need a universal charger. All the countries that it covers, fits into a nice carrying pouch that simply zips away and protects your prized possession. I hope this product is something that you are looking for in a universal charger. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.